Hi, it's Graham Frame here, and I want to run through quickly some program that is about to launch. It's absolutely free, and pre-launch is always the time to build because it's before the big boys get in and you can introduce all the people that you know before somebody else does. So what's the program about? Well, you can watch all the videos and information here, but basically it's about getting paid for doing the things that you're already doing, browsing online, using social media and things like this. The actual details of how this is going to work are being kept secret until the launch date to avoid somebody else trying to steal the idea. But it's going to pay users $400 a year. So you join free and you are then paid $400 a year for doing the things that you're already doing now. Basically speaking, they've monetized existing internet activities that 5 billion people do every day. And it's what the big boys like Google and Amazon are already doing, but they're not sharing what they get with you. And so this is something that you can get involved in, and they will pay you $400 to use it, and it's free to use. Okay, so register now and you'll be in line to get $400 for doing what you already do. Now if you choose to refer other people, on your first level you will get $100 for everybody you introduce. So if you introduce one person, that means you'll be on $500 a year. If you introduce 10 people, you'll be on $1,400 a year, and so on. But it's much more powerful than that. Let me show you. So here we are. I've done a little spreadsheet for you, and this is talking about introducing 2 members, just 2 members. Okay, now you're going to get 400 as a user yourself, and it's free to use, so you make $400. But if you introduce 2 members, you will get $100 for each of those, which is another $200 a year, and it's every year. It's paid to you on the anniversary of the person joining. So it's recurring income, it's recurring annual income. But in addition to what you get on this level, it goes down 16 levels at $5 per person. If everybody introduces 2 people, these 2 introduce 2, that would be 4 at $5, that's another $20 a year. 8 at $5 is $40 a year. And you can see how this builds until potentially you have thousands of people in your network paying you $5 a year. And if you fill all 16 levels with everybody just getting 2 members, your total annual income will be well over $500,000. Over $50,000 a month. Now let's be realistic. To get 2 people that are going to duplicate you, you're probably going to need to introduce 10 people. That 10 would make this 1,000 here instead of 200 anyway, but it wouldn't change the figures coming down here. So it's a negligible increase, but you're probably going to have to refer 10 people to get 2 people that duplicate you. And that's just the way things work. To get 10 people, you're probably going to need to send 40 people to your affiliate link. So if you can just go out and buy, for example, 40 clicks from somewhere like Udemy for a little solo ad, you're likely to get those 10 people, and that will set this 2, everybody getting 2 in motion. And if the 2 you get, you explain to them how you got your 2 from a little solo ad. You can share the solo ad that you sent with them. There are solo ads in the members area. Then you can make this work down. Just get everybody to do exactly the same thing. All they need is going to be around about 40 clicks. It's going to cost what? To get 40 or 50 clicks, you're probably going to pay something like $18 to $20. So it wouldn't be free, but if you were prepared to spend $18 to $20, you'd be pretty well guaranteed to get 2 people that would duplicate you. And if everybody does the same, this becomes a reality. And if, for example, it gets a little bit better and everybody introduces 3 people, it's staggering. It's over $26 million every month that you would make if everybody got 3. It's not likely, but 2 is quite likely. To get somewhere between 2 and 3 is a distinct possibility, and it wouldn't take much for this to get boosted to $1 million a month. And that is why it's worth getting involved now in pre-launch, before everybody else gets in, before the big hitters come in, before other people introduce the people that you know. Get involved, introduce at least 2 people that are going to duplicate you, and get them to do the same and the same and the same and the same. And you can build this in pre-launch pretty quickly and be sat on a gold mine. There's a link below this video where you can join now. God bless.